basically you should reapply every 2 hours regardless of whether or not you've been in the water, because sunscreens lose their stability over time. The FDA has actually prevented the ability of the sunscreen companies to write that their sunscreens are waterproof. Sunscreens can now only be called water resistant, and they're only water resistant for between 40 and 80 minutes. After 80 minutes, there is no proof that the sunscreen is actually still in your body. So my take-home message for this is you should reapply after going into the water. You should reapply after perspiring or sweating extensively or towel drying. And basically you should reapply every 2 hours regardless of whether or not you've been in the water, because sunscreens lose their stability over time. In addition to paying attention to how frequently you apply your sunscreen, the quantity is very important. The average person needs approximately 1 ounce, or if you can imagine a visual, the size of a shot glass to cover your whole entire body. And if you don't apply that quantity, you're not getting the SPF that's written on that bottle. When they do their testing, they use large quantities of sunscreen to create the protection that is necessary. An SPF of 30, when applied properly, blocks out 97% of the rays.